In the high-stakes world of day trading, milliseconds can mean millions. As we step into 2025, artificial intelligence isn't just assisting traders, it's outperforming them. Today, we uncover the AI bots that are not just surviving, but thriving in the volatile markets, delivering consistent profits where human intuition falls short. From ticker tapes to algorithmic trading, the financial markets have always been at the forefront of technological innovation. The latest revolution? AI-powered trading bots that analyze vast datasets, identify patterns, and execute trades with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Meet Holly, the AI engine developed by Trade Ideas. Holly stands for Hybrid Learning in the Loop, and it's not just a catchy acronym. This AI analyzes over 1 million trading scenarios each night, employing a blend of statistical analysis and machine learning to identify high-probability trades for the next day. Holly's strength lies in its ability to adapt. By continuously learning from market data, it refines its strategies, ensuring that traders are equipped with the most effective tactics. Users have reported significant improvements in their trading performance, attributing their success to Holly's insights. Tickeron brings a suite of AI-powered tools to the table, with its intraday agents leading the charge. These agents specialize in real-time analysis, scanning the markets for patterns and signals that indicate profitable trading opportunities. What sets Tickeron apart is its transparency. Each AI-generated signal comes with a confidence level, allowing traders to assess the risk and potential reward. This feature empowers users to make informed decisions, blending AI insights with human judgment. TrendSpider revolutionizes technical analysis by automating the tedious aspects of charting. Its AI algorithms automatically detect trend lines, support and resistance levels, and chart patterns across multiple timeframes. The platform's dynamic alert system ensures that traders are notified of significant market movements, allowing for timely decision-making. By reducing manual analysis, TrendSpider enables traders to focus on strategy and execution. Stock Hero has emerged as a formidable player in the AI trading bot arena. Its Sigma series, particularly the Sigma series Fast Strategy, has demonstrated remarkable performance, achieving win rates of up to 97% in certain periods. The platform offers a diverse range of strategies, catering to various trading styles and risk appetites. Features like 1-minute trading frequency and extended trading hours provide traders with the flexibility to operate in different market conditions. Stock Hero's user-friendly interface and comprehensive educational resources make it accessible to both novice and experienced traders. The platform's commitment to continuous improvement ensures that its users are equipped with cutting-edge tools to navigate the markets. In the realm of cryptocurrency trading, CryptoHopper stands out with its cloud-based AI trading bot. Supporting major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, and Kraken, it offers users the ability to automate their trading strategies with ease. CryptoHopper's AI algorithms analyze multiple trading strategies, selecting the most effective ones based on current market conditions. The platform's marketplace allows users to access pre-configured strategies or monetize their own by offering them to others. While powerful, CryptoHopper requires a solid understanding of trading principles to configure effectively. Users should be prepared to invest time in learning the platform to fully leverage its capabilities. As AI continues to evolve, its role in day trading is set to expand further. The integration of AI with other emerging technologies, such as quantum computing and blockchain, promises to unlock new possibilities in market analysis and trade execution. However, the rise of AI in trading also brings challenges, including regulatory considerations and the need for robust risk management frameworks. Traders must stay informed and adapt to these changes to remain competitive in the evolving landscape. The most profitable AI bots for day trading in 2025 are more than just tools. They're partners in navigating the complexities of the financial markets, By harnessing the power of AI, traders can enhance their decision-making, manage risks more effectively, and capitalize on opportunities with greater precision. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: the fusion of human insight and artificial intelligence will continue to redefine what's possible in day trading.